All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to solve a system of equations today using matrices. So a couple rules that we're going to put in place. We want all variables on the same side of the equal sign, and we want all variables to be in the same order. So as I manipulate these equations, I'm going to add y on both sides here, and I'm going to take the y to the middle so we can be x, y, z. And that gives me 2x plus y plus z equals 7. On the second equation, we're going to add 2z to both sides. And that's going to give us, 2x minus y plus 2z equals 6. And then the last equation is still good, so we're going to say x minus 2y plus z equals 0. That's my new system. All right. In order to use matrices, we're going to spend time making 3 different matrices for this system. The first one is going to be what we call our coefficient matrix. So we're going to take all of the coefficients and plug them in the one matrix. So we got 2, positive 1, positive 1. And then the next line we have 2, negative 1, positive 2. And then we get 1, negative 2, positive 1. And again, that second row was 2, negative 1, positive 2. And that third row was 1, negative 2, positive 1. Remember, if there's a variable without a number or coefficient before it, you just call it 1, or you put the 1 in front of it. That matrix is 3 rows by 3 columns, and that's our coefficient matrix. Next is our variable matrix, and that's simply the variables we're solving for, so x, y, z, and we got to make sure we keep them in the same order they were in. And then lastly, we have our constant matrix, which would be made up of our solutions right here. So we're going to call our constant matrix. So we would say 7, 6, and 0. And notice those are both 3 by 1 matrices. All right, so when we're putting these into the calculator, we're going to call this matrix A. We're going to call this one matrix B, and see if you can follow along as we do it. All right, so first thing when you open that calculator, we're going to go second plus 7, 1, 2. Sorry for the advertisement. Again, that's second plus 7, 1, 2, and it clears out all of the data you have. Now, to put these matrices in the calculator, we're going to press second, and then our X inverse button right here that says matrix. I'm going to scroll over to where it says edit, and I'm going to enter a 3 by 3 matrix, and I'm going to enter that first matrix we had. So we had 2, enter, 1, enter, 1. Next row was 2, negative 1, positive 2. And then lastly, we had 1, negative 2, positive 1. All right, now we're going to go second X inverse again, takes us to matrix. We're going to go edit, and this time we're going to go down to matrix B, which was a 3 by 1 matrix. And that was our constant matrix. And we had 7, 6, 0. Now I'm going to go second mode to take me back to my home screen. The process of solving for our variable matrix is pretty straightforward. We're going to go second X inverse. This time we're not going to go to edit. We're going to stay at names, and we're going to choose matrix A. We're going to press the X inverse button on its own, and we're going to multiply that by matrix B. We press enter, and it gives us 1, 2, and 3. So when I go back to my solution matrix, right, that's what we're going to call it. We're going to take our variable matrix of, let me see here, X, Y, Z. And our calculator said that our solution matrix was 1, 2, 3. So what that means is X equals 1, y equals 2, and z equals 3. Hope this helps.